Hi friends, today I am very happy to share something new with you. We all are familiar with the tri-language formula by Government of Maharashtra. Some of you might have started English language as a new subject from 5th class onwards. But the new generation is more lucky than us. They started to learn English from class 1 in all government schools. What is the meaning of language learning? What we exactly learn when we start to learn any new language? Listen carefully. As we all know, language is an effective mean of communication. We can gain knowledge with the help of language and we can express our feelings, our thoughts by using language. If we want to learn any new language other than our mother tongue, first of all, we have to understand the basic process of language learning. It means how a person learns language. The method of language learning is the same all over the world. Now, we will see how a child learns language. A child in Marathi family speaks Marathi. A child in Punjabi family speaks Punjabi. And a child whose family members speak English automatically utters English. It means the first language learnt by any individual is the mother tongue. How does he imbibe the mother tongue? It is the simplest method and this method is called as natural method. If we want to learn any new language, we must know the basics of natural method. We observed that a child in Marathi family starts to utter Marathi words at the age of 12 to 18 months. It means it requires minimum 1 year to be able to speak any language. A child from an English speaking family utters English automatically. It means that any individual speaks his or her first language, that is mother tongue. That is, at the age of 1 year, a child gets control on muscle for uttering any known or unknown sounds. Have you seen or heard that a mother is teaching to her child the words or sentences that beta say mango beta. Mango means amba. This reddish yellow fruit is called amba. No, nowhere there is a need to teach words or sentences to a child. Then what is the natural method? The method is a child listens a lot from his home, in the society, in the surrounding and automatically starts to utter it. At the very first step, a child utters vowels. At the first step, a child utters only vowels. A, like this. Then the small words which he listens frequently. And that's why we can find out the cultural background of any child or any person by his language. Is the child from cream layer of the society or from slum area or from the middle class family or from some farmer's family? It is very easy to find out the family background of any person with the help of the language spoken by him. As well, it reflects the scholarliness of the person. In Sanskrit, there is a vachan, there is a shlok. Vani eka samalankaroti purusham ya sanskruta dharyate kshiyante khalu bhushanani bhushanam vagbhushanam bhushanam. Vani eka samalankaroti purusham. It means civilized language is the great ornament of a learned person. The meaning of the shlok is Civilized language is the greatest ornament of a learned person. So, we must be careful while using any language, while speaking with any person. Okay, now back to natural method. Natural method is also known as direct method of language learning. What we listen frequently, we utter directly. What we listen frequently, we utter directly. A lot of examples I can give you. We murmur popular filmy songs automatically because of listening again and again. The people who live on the boundary areas of two states are able to speak both languages. The students living in Pandharkauda are able to speak both Marathi as well as Telugu. The people living in Belgaum district are able to speak both Marathi and Kannadi. The reason is that they are getting a chance to listen both languages in their day-to-day life. So this happens automatically. If the language learning process is so easy, so simple and automatic, then why to fear? English is also one of the language like Marathi or Hindi, and the procedure is the same. We speak Marathi because it is spoken all over our surrounding. We speak Hindi because every day we listen a lot of Hindi on television. Now, you must come to know that why it is difficult to speak English for us. Because we do not get a chance to listen good English in our day-to-day life. So what to do? I create a chance to listen good English for you. I will help you. I will give you a chance towards good English. I want to help you to speak good English, to make you able towards a new path, to learn the global language English. Let's play with English.